Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install XAMPP on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Open Firefox browser. Type apachefriends.org/download.html in browser search bar. Right-click download, copy link location. Click activities. Type terminal. Click terminal. Type sudo space wget space. Right-click mouse, click paste. Type your password. Type ls to list directory. Type sudo space chmod space plus x space XA press tab key. Type sudo space // XA press tab key. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click Finish. Click Manage Servers tab. Start MySQL and Pro FTPD services. Check PHP and PHPMyAdmin. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.